Hello everyone! Everything I'm about to show you has been verified by the experts in this shop, so take a deep breath. This has a solution. If the message "Shipping Mode on Push Storage Fuse" appears on your Nissan, the first thing is not to panic. Even though it sounds serious, in most cases it doesn't mean your car is broken. It's simply telling you, "Hey, I'm still in shipping mode from the factory. Better get me started properly." It's like the car is talking to you and asking for a small adjustment to get back to normal. Here's what's happening. This shipping mode, or extended storage mode, disables certain electrical components to save battery while the car is stored or being transported. That's why, when the system thinks you're still in this mode, things like the radio, display screen, interior lights, or even the electric start can act up. Basically, the car behaves like it's asleep and just waits to be woken up properly. Now, here comes the most common and simple solution, confirmed by mechanics at this shop: the white storage fuse. Yes, the one many people don't even notice, usually located in the fuse panel under the steering wheel or near the glove box. If it's not fully seated or has moved slightly, the system thinks you're still in shipping mode and triggers the message. Many mechanics fixed it simply by opening the panel, locating that white fuse, and pressing it firmly back into place. After that, goodbye message. Everything starts working again. Even the radio, display screen, and interior lights wake up like magic. If pressing the fuse isn't enough, the next step is to check that the fuse isn't damaged and that the surrounding wires aren't loose or corroded. Some mechanics told me their fuse looked fine, but a broken pin or a poorly connected wire was still causing the message. At that point, a deeper inspection is needed, but it's still a relatively simple electrical issue to fix if you know what to look for. One more detail that few notice: this message can sometimes appear after disconnecting or replacing the battery because the system thinks the car hasn't been properly activated yet. So, if the fuse and wires are fine, check the battery and make sure the entire electrical system is properly connected.